Hi everyone, this is Vivian Resnick with Berkshire Hathaway of Tampa, Florida. It's a beautiful day in Riverview and I'm at Villa Serena, the resort-style condo community that's exceptionally stylish. Let's take a tour.
The brilliantly designed exterior welcomes you with its attractive landscaping, picnic areas, and nature pond. Enter your new home and enjoy more than 1,400 square feet of living space. It includes 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, den, 1-car garage, and a screened-in patio. Preparing your favorite meals will be a delight in the kitchen with views to the backyard and patio. The sparkling pool and lounge chairs will be beckoning you. The fitness center is the perfect place for a rainy day. This community is close to Brandon Town Center Mall, so you can shop and dine at your favorite places.
This is Vivian Resnick with Berkshire Hathaway, Tampa, Florida. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for updates and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. See you next week. Bye.